Hello everyone! Happy Thanksgiving and Merry Christmas. I am one of those people that decorate for Christmas before Thanksgiving because why not enjoy some yummy food around some Christmas decorations for two holidays? I mean, what's better? So today in this video I'm going to be doing a kind of copper bronzy ombre eye for your Thanksgiving event, so you can also make it Christmassy if you would like. And my name is Jessie Ruth, but you can call me Rue. Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And today in our video, Vern is going to be making some appearances because he is on one today. Just that. And he's pretty funny. He's got a good Instagram. He keeps up with his followers, but he's very excited today. I have not taken him to the park yet, so we are going to do that after this. But I hope you all enjoy the video. We are going to prime our eyes with our MAC paint pot, Painterly paint pot. We're gonna go in and just with a synthetic brush. This brush set, the Jaclyn Hill brush set, is amazing. I'm just going to pat that on my eyes so we have a nice fresh base onto our eyes. After that, we're going to set our eyes with the none other than the Kristen Dominique palette. Y'all, I hit pan on my favorite shade! I don't know if I should get a new one or just wait until all the other colors are gone, but seriously, for about over a year now, this palette is amazing. I've mentioned it like 2 or 3 times by now. It's just good for any start to a look, or you can even make a look with this, or whatever. Highly recommend, 100%. So I'm gonna take this JH30 brush, which is a big fluffy brush, and I'm gonna take that vanilla shade and put that all over my lid to set that base. Set. Okay, so I'm going to take another JH30 brush because they're that good and go in with my first transition shade. I'll do this step for like any eye look that I do. I will go in with the vanilla cream and then I will take this caramel color because it's very pretty in the crease and it just starts any look beautifully. So I take it with a big fluffy brush. Just start. Vern really loves it when I do makeup. I don't know if he's terrified that I'm doing makeup or it's the shadows or what. So I'll go in with that caramel color in about 2 coats just to start that crease and to make a base for how far I will blend up, because I've noticed lately when I do eyeshadow, I tend to do it more down here and you can't see it when I open my eyes because I have more of a hooded eye. So I started kind of setting that base as like a guideline of how far I really need to bring my shadow up. So I'll just look in the mirror with my eye open and put the shadow there so that I know with a lighter color, it's not gonna look weird if I don't go all the way up with other colors. It's just gonna look nice and natural, but at least I know where to put that color, if that makes sense. I don't know. All right, after that, we have the Vault collection. So much controversy. Honestly, I love Morphe. I have so many Morphe products in front of me, and I love Jaclyn. So, I mean, yes, these are not the easiest. They're not like my Dominique palette right here that's like a dream. But they're good. Like, you can do a look out of these, and I think they have some great colors and they're a great combination to add to your collection if you feel like it. If not, that's fine. We're going to go into the Ring the Alarm palette. So that's the red themed palette. I love this packaging. It's beautiful. This is what it looks like on the inside. You can tell that I have used it for sure. So first, we're going to take that same JH30 that we used in caramel and go in with Rush right here. Ooh, Rush, this color. So this is like a more orangey brown shade. We're going to deepen that crease a little bit. We're going to use the bigger blender just to bring that shadow up before we go down. Because again, I have a hooded eye, so I need a little bit more help getting the eyeshadow up. Can I help you? Would you like to come say hi? Come here. Come here. He says hi, guys. That's Vern. In case you didn't know, he has an Instagram. You can follow him. He's Vern the GWP. He says follow. Follow him. After that, we are going to take Alert right here. This beautiful pumpkin shade. This brush is a JH35. So this one is like fluffy, but then on the side it's a little bit thinner, which I like. So we're going to take it so the thinner is horizontal to our crease. So not like this, like this. And we're going to really concentrate that more so into the crease. I'm not bringing this color up, and I'm making it an even intensity. I'm making it an even intensity all across the crease. So I'm not concentrating it in the outer corner. I'm making sure it's the same. Like, Vern says hi. He's gonna be in this video now. What do you think, buddy? What do you think? Do you like it? Do you think it looks good? What do you think? Beautiful orange gradient in our eye. I'm going to go back into the Dominique palette. We're going to go into Pumpkin Spice, which is kind of like Alert, just a little bit browner. So that's going to bring in caramel. I'm just putting that right above Alert, not too far up, just to kind of fade it. Next, we are going to go back into our Ring the Alarm palette. I'm going to take Mugshot and Secret on a JH37 brush, which is this hacker brush. So Mugshot and Siren. No, Mugshot and Secret. So I just tap back and forth, tap off the excess. I'm going to put that in the outer corner. Now is the fun, festive part. So this can be switched up with different shimmer colors. I'm going to do Thanksgiving shimmer colors just because Thanksgiving is next and I need to give it its moment, even though I've decorated for Christmas. But you could do like a cool red and gold, a red and green. You could do anything on top of this so it would look beautiful. I'm going to do some like shades of orange and gold. So before I do this, I'm going to half cut the crease. So what that means is I'm going to take a brush. I'm going to take this Morphe M16, go back into this paint pot, get some concealer on my brush, and I'm going to conceal where I want to put my shimmer. So that's going to help it stay better, and also it's going to help it pop from the other colors. I'm going to take my finger, because it's the best tool you have. I'm going to go into Boom right here. Boom is a gorgeous like copper color. Put that on the, in the middle, put that on the middle of your lid. Oh, so pretty. Then I'm going to take on camera this gold color right here. Put that on the edge of that towards the inside, but not all the way to your inner corner. And then I'm going to go into the Dominique palette, of course, and go into Macchiato, my other favorite. And put that on the inner corner. Okay, so now it's kind of messy. So what we're going to do is take another flat brush. We're going to take another flat brush and go the JH41 and go into Lolly, this rose gold color. And we're going to take it on top of all of those colors to blend it together and make more of a ombre gradient. So even though our inner corner is nice and light from that color in the Dominique palette, we are going to go into the Armed and Gorgeous Vault Collection palette, and we're going to go into VIP, this like super white icy shade. We're going to highlight our inner corner right there, just to bring some attention to our eye. And I love the way this looks. I love a good white shade. I used to only wear white eyeshadow in college, so I had one eyeshadow single. I'm gonna highlight the brow bone. I had one eyeshadow single and then like one tiny palette, barely a palette, like 4 shades. And every day, not every day, let's be honest, I didn't wear makeup a lot in college, but most days if I did wear makeup, I would just put this like stark white shadow all over my eyes and all under my eyes because I thought it looked so cute. Looking back, I'm like, what was I doing? I thought it like brought out my eyes, which I think it did, but like adding that white on the inner corners just kind of helps to bring out your eyes and eyeshadow. So now I'm going to go into my mascara. So mascara. I've been using Lash Paradise with the primer because I think it helps. But on the bottom lashes, when I do more of an orange or a red look, I've been using the Voluminous in Burgundy because it's really cool. It brings out all of that like smoky burgundy colors into your look. So I'm gonna do that really quick. So here is our eye look all done. So now after I do my eyes, I kind of reassess my blush, see if I need to add any more. Also, we have our, we have highlight. So for highlight lately, I have been into this Morphe, of course, Babe in Paradise palette. So pretty, love it. Also being in paradise myself, very excited about this. So I've been going in with this color right here, this kind of like gold, and I've been mixing it with this color. And I will just put that on my cheekbones. Today, I think I'm just gonna go in with this Maybelline, sorry. This Maybelline lip in Naked Coral and put that on, and let's see how that looks. The lips are super chapped. That looks good besides the lips being chapped. So we're going to do that, and then I'm going to blot on some of this ultra blotted lip and just kind of mix them together to get an in-between of dark and medium. So this completes our final look, and you can make it Christmassy with some Christmas colors, but here's our Thanksgiving version of this look. I've been really loving these palettes and really loving these colors. It's nice and just easy, and just you can do it while you're cooking, while something's in the oven, and then you'll be ready for your holiday party. I hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving. I am trying to write, but for some reason, guys, I've been having the worst writer's block, and I wrote probably like 3 blog posts by now, and they're all unfinished. So I'm hoping over the holidays I'm going home and I can get some writing done. I'll have a little bit more time, but I've been trying to get outside and enjoy the island while I can. So, here we go. Happy Thanksgiving from my home to yours. And Vern, you want to come say bye? Come on, come here. Come say bye. Come here. He says bye. He's too busy trying to play. Okay,